Foodland. Today's special dish is salmon patties or salmon cutlets, also call it as salmon cakes. This is very easy and simple recipe. I have literally made it in less than half hour. So I want you to try this recipe. Very healthy recipe, and of course salmon and bunch of vegetables, and of course you can have it with a side dish which is sriracha sauce or any kind of side dish you have. Alright, so let's start with the recipe. For this quick and easy salmon cake or salmon patties, we need all these ingredients. So I have this wild caught salmon, fresh salmon. These are red bell pepper, white onion and scallions, all thinly chopped. These are some dry spices. I have McCormick grilled seasoning, salt to taste, black pepper, crushed red pepper, about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and panko breadcrumbs. These are plain breadcrumbs, so I've taken about 1/4 cup, but if we need more, we might need to add more to form the patty shape. And this is olive oil. So let's start with baking the salmon for about 10 minutes. So I have a baking tray, so I have greased that and add this salmon piece. Not going to season it right now, just baking it. Drizzle some oil so that it won't burn. This is going to give us some time to saute the vegetables, and of course once this is baked, forming the patties would be really easier. So let's bake this for 450 Fahrenheit. Okay, so I have my skillet here, and as you can see, literally in 10 minutes I got this color of the salmon. I do not want to overcook the salmon, so literally 10 minutes on 450 Fahrenheit, and this is the result. So I'm gonna keep it aside, just let it cool off. Add some oil in the skillet, 1 tablespoon. Once the oil is hot, add onion and bell pepper. Saute this well. Again, we are not overcooking this, just sauteing so that the raw smell goes away. And some of the scallion, mostly the white part of it, the onion part. I'm going to keep the green part for some freshness, to add it later in the patty mixture. Look at this beautiful color. Add all the seasonings, whichever flavor is your favorite, just add them. Black pepper, crushed red chili flakes. This is seasoning mix, and some salt. Saute it well and turn the heat off. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Beautiful. So I'm going to use the same plate. Let's wait for 5 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to cut this salmon into small pieces. Alright, so let's use fork and try to mash it like this. Salmon cooks really fast. Place it in a bowl. Vegetables for that beautiful crunch and flavors. Mayonnaise for the creamy texture. And breadcrumbs for binding. If I need more breadcrumbs, I'm going to add it. So let's get your hands in, mix everything well. So let's add 1/4 cup more. So total half cup so far. Let's see if that's good enough. I can see it's forming a dough shaped consistency. Look at the pretty colors. Okay, perfect. So I think I can form a patty now. Now you can the shape of this patty can be any size or any shape you would like. I like a bite-sized patties, so just like so. Beautiful. Close up right here. Perfect. So let me form all the patties and then we can move on to the next step. Patties are ready. There are around 10-15 patties, and now let's move on to the next step, which is get a skillet and let's shallow fry them. So I used the same skillet which I used earlier for sauteing the vegetables. So added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's add the patties. Okay. So there are quite a few variations I like to do. I can eat as is because the salmon is cooked, everything, vegetables are cooked. But if you do not want this texture, then you can shallow fry them, or even before shallow frying you can cover it in the breadcrumbs and then saute it, so you will have some crispiness on the outer layer. But I'm showing you right now as is. Let it cook for about 3 minutes or so, and then we will flip it to the other side. So my first batch is shallow frying here. I haven't used the breadcrumbs, but for the next batch, let's try covering it with breadcrumbs. So just pat dry. And then dab it. So this is with breadcrumbs, as you can see. I'm going to fry it later after this first batch is done. Just keep it aside. Just make sure you pat this because we need no loose breadcrumbs here. So this is ready. Next one. You can use any kind of meat here. get crab meat or tilapia fillet, but I love the taste of salmon. It's the Salmon Croquettes. Pat dry and save it. Don't forget about this. Oh, look at this beautiful golden brown color. Again, as I said, everything is already cooked, so just getting the golden brown color is enough for this. Okay guys, so my patties are ready. Going to put it on a paper towel, kitchen roll. They are so quick and easy, perfect party appetizer or a perfect meal that you can have it with salad, or if you want a side dish, you can have it with any kind of ketchup or sauce. So healthy, very less oil is used, and flavorful. So now I'm adding the patties that were covered with the breadcrumbs. I really love crab cakes and thought of making it with salmon this time. So these are salmon patties or salmon cake, or you can say salmon croquettes. It is hot enough, so the process will be faster. Okay, so look at this. I have garnished this with some scallion chops, and this is my sweet and sour sriracha sauce on the side. So if you want, you can have salad on the side. My salmon cake or salmon patties are ready, and I can't wait to eat this. So if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. It is really tasty. So if you have not subscribed it, please try to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.